f of x is equal to x squared plus x. Find f of 2. So every time you see x, this x here, you replace with 2. So which is equal to x squared. This time x is 2, so that means 2 squared plus x, which is 2. So 2 squared is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. This one here, same thing. So f of x, so which is x this time, replace with -5. So f of -5 is become -5 all square plus -5. So -5 squared is 25 minus 5, which give me 20. Now f of a, again, every time you see x, you just replace with a. That's all. So you go x squared, it become a squared plus x, which is a. Now find f of x minus 2. So this time, every time you see x, you replace with x minus 2. So which give me x squared is become x minus 2 all square plus x, but x is x minus 2. So expand this out. I use perfect square to expand quickly. So x squared, the first one is x squared, x times minus 2, it gives me minus 2x, and a double, so it gives me minus 4x. And then minus 2 squared is 4. Then I just add x minus 2. And I simplified it. X squared and minus 4x plus x, it gives me minus 3x. And then 4 minus 2 is 2, so it's just plus 2. This one here, same thing, f of x minus f of a minus b. So every time you see x, you replace with ab. So I just write here, so which is equal to f of a minus b, so that give me a minus b all square plus a minus b. That's all. So now I expand it, a square, a times minus b is minus ab, then I double it, give me minus 2ab, and plus b squared always. And I just write it down, which is this term plus a minus b. So I just rewrite a first, so which is a squared plus a, it look nicer, that's all, minus 2ab, and then minus b, and then plus b squared. Now this sort of functions is called piece function because it has several domain. The question is find f of minus 5. So it's, in another word, -5 is less than or equal minus 5. So it have to be in this domain here. So therefore, this is the function we looking at. So f of minus 5 is equal to 3 lots of minus 5, which is 3 times 5 is 15, but it's -15. Find f of -2. So you know that -2 is actually less than 0, but greater than -5. So in this domain. So therefore, we're looking at this function here. So which give me 2 lots of -2 plus 1. So minus 2 times 2 is -4. So -4 plus 1 is -3. Now, this one here is f of negative 3 plus f of 3. So f of negative 3 is actually between 0 and minus 5. So again, this is the function, so we're looking at this function there. So f of 3 negative, which give me 2 lots of minus 3 at 1. So which give me negative 6 plus 1 is minus 5. Now f of 3 is actually greater than 0, so which is in this domain, so this is the function we're referring to. So f of 3, which give me 3 square, okay, I can write 3 square plus 3 lots of 3 and then add 1. So 3 square is 9, and add 9, add 1, which is 19. So therefore f of negative 3, which is equal to negative 5, plus f of 3, which is 19, so which give me 14. Let's say the question asked is f of k square. Now k square, you know that k square, it doesn't matter what value of k is, it's always give you a positive number. Okay, any number, negative 2 square give you 4. So therefore, again, we're looking at the domain that is x is greater than 0. So therefore, in the same functions, so which is equal to this x greater than 0 is the domain. So we're looking at x squared plus 3x plus 1. So therefore, x replace with k square, so which is equal to k square all square plus 3 lots of k square plus 1. So which is 2 square k times 2 k square, which is 2 times 2 is 4. So k power 4 plus 3 k square plus 1. Find h of negative t. So now ht, the t is replaced with negative t. So h of negative t, which give me negative t square minus 3 lots of negative t plus 2. So negative t square is t square plus 3t plus 2. Find h of x plus 1. So every time you see t, you replace with x plus 1, which is equal to x plus 1 all square minus 3 lots of x plus 1 plus 2. So we expand this out. So x squared plus x plus 1 all square is x squared. X times 1 is x double, give me 2x, and then add 1 square. And I expand this, 3 minus 3 times x is minus 3x, minus 3 times 1 is minus 3, add 2. Then I have to simplify further, which is x squared. 2x minus 3x is minus x. And then 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 take away 3 is 0. So this is it. Alright. Find t when ht is 0. Find t when ht is equal to 0. So this means that ht here is become replaced with 0 because ht is equal to 0. So this means that 0 is equal to t squared minus 3t plus 2. So I just factorize it. So it's a positive on this here, so I just copy whatever this side here, so which is 0 equal t square, t minus, and then t minus. So what time what give me 2, this 2 here, and add to give me 3, 2 and 1, because 2 times 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, so I put 3, 1. It doesn't matter which one you put, of course, they're both same side. You can put 1 first or 3 first, doesn't matter. So therefore, t is equal to 3 or t is equal to 1. Thank you so much for watching my videos.